Okay, well, this is a Right Corn Festival, and sponsored by the Native American Preservation Association here in Georgia. And this is one of the biggest powwow gatherings on the East Coast. We expect anywhere between 300 dancers this weekend. We usually have about 8 or 9 drums show up. Host drum is Bird Chopper from Cherokee. I'll be your MC. My name is Rick Bird, but most people know me. I'm a professional wrestler. My name is Rick Youngblood. I've been in that industry about 34 years. And, got a lot of good food, Indian cooking going on. We got all kinds of arts and crafts traders. Just it's going to be really a nice event. And I think everybody will have a good time. And everybody's invited. It's a family event.
Alright, I can see all of y'all out there trying to sing along.
Think about it. Hope you enjoy that.
Let me know when you're far away from me, apart,
but today we are.